भारताचो 3 दिसांचो लायटहाऊस महोत्सव सोमारा आग्वाद किल्ल्यार उलगलो. भारतांतल्या 75 प्रतिकात्मक लायटहाऊसांचो गिरेस्त दर्यादेगावेलो इतिहास परतून जिवो करप, दर्यादेगांची कथा संवसारभर पावोवप हो महोत्सवाचो हेत. भारताचे पयले लायटहाऊस महोत्सवाची मुखेल खाशेपणां सांस्कृतीक प्रदर्शनां ते दर्यादेगावयल्या इतिहासाचेर आनी समाजीक वावराचेर भर दिवपी सत्रां मेरेन आसात. समारोप सुवाळ्यात उलयतना राज्यमंत्री शांतनू ठाकुरान म्हटलें, लायटहाऊस गोंयचे पर्यटन आनी भारतांतल्या हेर दर्यादेग वाठारांतल्या लोकांक सशक्त करपाचो यत्न करता.
The ministry's goal is to enhance awareness and encourage the common people about this rich heritage and take them alone to be a part of this massive and progressive step. Lighthouse tourism seek to empower the people of Goa and all the other coastal regions of India. The employment opportunities created due to this lighthouse tourism and manifold. This 3 days event has focused on understanding the relevance, culture, richness and importance of preserving this magnificent structure which has guided us in past and will be guiding our economic growth in the coming futures. A carnival of food, music, culture aim to bring together heritage and commerce and vision of this future to common people. The ultimate aim remains to draw on our past to help the preserving our present ecology. Building a strength of the local people, ensuring empowerment and opportunities for one and all in the future. In conclusion, before conclusion, I would like to express my deep gratitude to all of you, especially for the artists who has made this event remarkable and guests who have joined to us today. Together, let's light up India's lighthouse heritage and make history come alive. Let us honor our maritime legacy, preserve our heritage, promote tourism and create a bringing futures for this coastal community and our great nation.
गोवा 365 खातीर डिलन रॉड्रिक्स, मनीष परब आनी निखिल जल्मी